By a manipulator or robot manipulator, it is meant a mechanical linkage that is roughly analogous to the human arm in its ability to reach, grasp, and manipulate. Such manipulators are typically serial chains where the linkages are connected end to end without any loops. For example, the upper arm is connected to the torso at the end and to the forearm at the other end. The robots can also be tree structured. For example, the humanoid robots. The body can be considered the base, and the head, limbs, finger, and toes branch out from it. The tree structured manipulator also do not have any loops, and the dynamic computation are essentially the same for serial chain manipulator. The major class of mechanical manipulators is parallel manipulators, in which a moving platform is connected to a stationary base by multiple arms. The arms themselves are serial chain, and there are a number of closed loops defined by this arm. However, removing the motion platform breaks all loop. Computing the dynamic of parallel manipulator is more difficult because there can be internal force propagated around the loop which are isometric, that is, which cause no motion. The manipulator joints are either rotary or prismatic. A rotary joint is like the human elbow joint, a simple hinge whose motion is described by joint angle. Whereas a prismatic joint allows linear motion in one direction, such as the plunger of the bicycle pump or socket absorber of a car, whose motion is described by a joint displacement. The manipulator compromises the combination of rotary and prismatic joint, usually in certain standard configuration. The torque by rotary actuators are required to drive the rotary joint, while the force from the linear actuators are required to drive the prismatic joint. So actuators are most often the electric motor with gears or cable to transmit and amplify the motor torque. The hydraulic and pneumatic actuators are also employed.
Bulky machine like the engine, nut, bolt, and even its different kind of gears and spot welding, arc welding, and machine, cutter, even which are used in material handling in construction of big bridges, long cranes. Clutch system for gear shifting in your car, all are the mechanical system. Varieties of materials and the material handling, its force, torque, all are related with the mechanical engineering. So it is one of the main part of any mechatronics system.